Alright, for today's assignment, this is 7.1. You guys are going to be starting something new called Code Combat. What you guys will do is open up the search bar, new tab, type in Code Combat. Okay, you'll click on the very first thing that comes up that says Coding Games. You'll come to a screen like this. You guys should select that I'm a student, and there will be a class code to enter. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Let me open up a new tab, and I'm going to show you what the different classes have as far as the codes to enter. So if you guys are in my first period, only first period put this code in, watch dark green. Okay. If you are second period, your code is pig army hide camel cased. If you are in my third period class, your code is pool boat cat. I don't come up with these. These are just randomly generated. And if you're in my fifth period, heavy dog want is your code. Okay? So what you guys will do is you will enter it here. It'll take you to a screen. We'll ask you for your name, and it'll ask you for your email. Make sure you put your school email. It'll ask you to make a username and password. Make it the same one you log in with computers in at school. And then click, it's important, this part's important, make sure you sign in with Google. Once you sign in with Google, it'll have you answer a couple more questions, but it'll take you to choose an avatar, and you'll choose an avatar. So what you'll end up doing is you'll have an avatar who basically he'll work through a course, and you'll complete lessons 1 through 19. Make sure you do all of the reading. The more reading you do, the better. If you guys get stuck, there's a place where you can ask for a hint. But you guys are basically just using Python, which is a different coding language, and it's really simple. It starts you out by just typing in commands like hero move right, hero move down, hero move right, and he'll go through a course. There'll be different obstacles, and they'll introduce new concepts, coding concepts, while you guys are completing the games. Good luck. You guys will have today and tomorrow to work on this in my class, but this is not due till Friday. However, we will start something new on Wednesday, so I've had kids get done with it in one class period today, so it shouldn't take you too long. Hopefully you guys have fun doing this, or turn on the sound if you can. Anyways, email if you have problems after reading all the hints and trying your best.